Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to integrate TickTick with Notion so you can sync your tasks seamlessly between both platforms. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TickTick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can configure various aspects of your TickTick account. Once you're in the settings menu, look at the left sidebar. You'll find several categories listed there, and you need to click on Integrations and Import. This section is specifically designed for connecting TickTick with other productivity tools and platforms, making it easier to centralize your workflow across different applications. After clicking on Integrations and Import, you'll see a list of available integrations that TickTick supports. Scroll down through this list until you find the Notion option. This is where you'll establish the connection between your TickTick tasks and your Notion workspace, allowing data to flow between both platforms automatically. However, before you can proceed with the integration, there's an important requirement you need to know about. In order to integrate TickTick with Notion, you first need to upgrade your TickTick account to a premium plan. Since my account is not yet upgraded, I'll walk you through the remaining steps so you know exactly what to expect once you've upgraded your subscription. Once your account is upgraded, you'll be able to click the Add Integration button. This will prompt you to sign into your Notion account. Make sure you're using the correct Notion workspace that you want to connect with TickTick, as this is where your tasks will sync. After signing in, you'll need to authorize TickTick to access your workspace. This is a standard security step that ensures TickTick has permission to read and write data in your Notion databases. Simply click Authorize when prompted, and the connection will be established between the two platforms. Next, you'll be presented with configuration options where you can choose which specific TickTick list you want to sync and which Notion database you want it connected to. This gives you flexibility to organize your workflow exactly how you need it. Select your preferred TickTick list from the drop-down menu, then choose the corresponding Notion database where you want those tasks to appear. Once you've made your selections, click Integrate to finalize the connection. And that's it. You've now set up the integration between TickTick and Notion, allowing your tasks to sync automatically across both platforms. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.